Hey guys, what's going on? Shaquan here from SLFX Trading, and in today's video we're going to be going over two of Chris Sain's calls. We're going to be going over fuel cell and Palantir technology. So I'm going to go ahead really quick, go into the technical so you guys can see what he's looking at, why he's looking at it, and keep in mind you guys, this is just purely my perspective of why he's seeing what he's seeing, and then sharing the technical analysis and details with you guys on the price charts. So if y'all want to go look at it, y'all can too. Now keep in mind that I am using TradingView. TradingView is an all-in-one platform where you can buy, you can sell off these trades that he is talking to you guys about. You can options trade with your connected broker that TradingView is partnered with. It's a one-stop shop that you guys get to participate with him and go along through these plays as he calls them as well, versus going on Robinhood, trying to see what he's looking at, trying to see what he's doing. Y'all go to the price charts and be on your Robinhood or your Webull or your TD Ameritrade, whoever you're through, and you get to go look at the price charts, look at the price, and you get to see what he's looking at and what he's calling. And I'm here to guide you on the plays technical analysis wise. So let's go ahead and let's get into it. All right, you guys, so first thing first is going to be fuel cell. Now we're here on the daily time frame, and this is one that he has called many times. You know, we got the ride up, and now price has actually done what we call retraced or has pulled back in the market. And so, you know, he's looking to say, hey, you know, if you can get around $20 to start your position again, or if you want to, you know, average cost down, you know, go ahead and do that. But he's also wanting you guys to potentially get in a little bit lower, and let me explain why he's saying that. So price did a really beautiful rally, a really beautiful move going back to the upside here. And when it did that move, you know, it caused price to take off. And now he's saying, hey, wherever price took off from, you know, go back and see if you can get it, if you can get it at that takeoff price, which is going to be here around, but I would say between 17.35 and 17.39. So basically 17.35 and $18. So if you get it a little bit cheaper, then by all means do so, okay? Right now, we can see that today, and we don't know how this is going to close. Price is kind of bearish right now. Now, bearish meaning that my orange candles are typically red, but they're orange right now, or gold, however you see it. But this just means that these are days when the market has dropped, and my white candles are when price has actually risen. And so we don't know how today is going to close. But if today closes what we call bearish, meaning it's a sell-off day, then, you know, maybe hold off and, you know, see if you can get it at a cheaper price after that. So what I'm going to be doing is waiting to see if price can come down a little bit more around let's just round it off, $18 areas, to see if I can buy it here. But if we have a bullish day, I may just end up buying a few more shares and adding on to the shares that I already have. With that being said, you guys, price creeps up even if it goes back down, but we believe that it's going to go higher. Y'all, price can come back to $29.50 rounded and potentially push up higher. So we're going to hold up and see what happens on this bad boy right here. Fuel cell is going to be really, really great. Now going into the next one that he's called, Palantir Tech, y'all. So this is one that he is calling, he called yesterday. He said, listen, you know, if you can get it in lower, and he's wanting you guys to get it in lower, potentially around the $25 area. If you can get it in lower, then wait to do so. But let me share with you guys what this chart is actually speaking on and what it's actually doing. So what I am marking off are called price note tools. And basically it's showing me the price at the extreme high, and then the extreme low, and then the extreme high. I'm actually marking off where price has actually fluctuated from. And so we had a high here, higher low. There was an ebb and a flow where the market pushed off from $22.40, and then it ended up pushing up to $44.92. We're going to round it and say $45. Now price has pulled back into a range where potentially, if she does come back, you guys, around the $25 area, $26 area, I would think this would be a really good place to potentially buy from if she can pull back a little bit more. But if not, and she topples above that $29.50 area, maybe $30 area, then yeah, this would be a good place to maybe put in some some shares now to kind of just lock price in. And if she does end up pulling back, you know, getting her again. But it's really going to be up to you guys and what you guys are liking price for. Can she pull down a little bit more? Of course. Can she keep going up higher? Of course. You never know what's going to happen. But this is going to be all up to you, like he says. Now, do you have to get into every play that Chris calls? No, you don't. And he has even made that clear. So if you guys are already in a few stocks that's running really good for you, y'all have really good plays running, and you don't want to overwhelm your portfolio, you don't have to, right? He's called a lot of good plays for you guys that y'all are sitting in. All you have to do is just keep buying as they drop and then just ride the wave when they go up. Other than that, you guys should be fine. So this is one that I am liking as well. I don't know if I'm going to invest in it. I actually want to go do some research behind what this company is because I've never heard of them. So I'm actually going to go do some research, see who they are, and see if there's something that I want to hold long term. Because as a matter of fact, looking at this chart, I actually want to do. Because if I know it can go back up to $45, I know it's going to go higher. And only because the price tags or the price or the value of this company is actually creeping up. And we call this an uptrend. And we want to ride that uptrend. Okay, so that's how I'm looking at Chris plays. They look real good to me. They look solid. So we'll see how they run this course. But if y'all have any questions, drop them down below. If you guys want to know more about Forex, which is what I personally like to teach, and I teach people how to read these charts within 3 to 6 weeks. If that's something that you guys are interested in, then make sure you click the link in my description to schedule a free 15-minute discovery call with me. And you guys, I will talk to you guys in another Chris Sain video.